Okay, guys. So, my brother, he taught me how to fly. So I'm gonna go to the circus. It's kind of hard to get there.
Where the heck are you?
Key. Hold on. Okay. So yeah, I'm a little dude.
Wait, where the heck are you?
Uh,
Don't tell me right here. Okay. Reed, where are you?
okay. So I'm a saddle. Might not look like it. I have not played this game in years. I've not played this game for a long time. What I mean by that is like 10 days. The last time I posted, my Meta Horizon wasn't working, so I couldn't post in the circus. I'm not doing that.